I'm Ro, your Wholesome Beauty Expert. Here at Lemon Beauty, where we enhance your natural beauty with our natural products. And today we're going to talk about our Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. We now have like the cutest pink strawberries in there. Before we had these cute little red slices. They were super cute. They did its purpose, but I am absolutely obsessed with the pink ones. And this is a classic flavor that's nostalgic, that gives you all the feels, and is hydrating and moisturizing for your lips. Comment below if you're a squeeze or a wand girly. I personally love squeeze glosses. It's definitely one of my top favorites. There's just something about the application, the squeeze, the feel. With our Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss, it has a very smooth applicator, and you just give it a little squeeze, and then we can just go ahead and apply it. Oh my gosh, it smells heavenly. And I absolutely love this formula. It is so smooth and creamy, and it is oil-based, so it's not sticky. So any hair mishaps with your sticky gloss are no more with our Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. And the perfect size for a lippy, a 10 milliliter container, just small enough and just big enough to get your lips hydrated, and you're able to tuck it away in your favorite purse. Thank you for shopping Lemon Beauty, your perspectives inside.